Are you looking for the best garage heaters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best garage heaters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Mr. Heater Big Maxx MHU80NG Natural Gas Unit Heater. Let your garage be a hospitable place whether summer or winter. Installing a premium heater always ensures you can enjoy great heating. The Mr. Heater Natural Gas Unit is one of the premium choices for large garages. This gas-powered heater is impressive and offers a whopping 80,000 BTU per hour. This is enough heat to warm up to 2,000 square feet without struggling. For efficient and even hot air distribution, the heater boasts powered venting system. This ensures the heated air is projected to the room with high precision. Amazingly, with natural gas to liquid propane converter kit, it provides constant heat distribution. To access the thermostat and AC terminals, they are located on the exterior for high convenience. With a self-ignition spark, switching on this unit is comfortable and smooth. Number 4. King Electric 5000 Watt Garage Heater. Don't struggle to heat your garage with unreliable and bulky heaters. It's time to introduce this compact and efficient 5000 watt heater by King Electric. Due to its compact design, the heater is versatile, providing superb heating to shops and garages. On the other hand, the adjustable thermostat gives you control depending on the required heating. Well, when heating, the heater provides exceptional safety. Featuring patented smart protection, it prevents overheating. In fact, it switches off automatically and resets in case of any mishap. With this, it keeps you and device out of danger of blowouts. The nichrome element provides fast heating even the coldest places in a room. With a capacity to heat up to 500 square feet, it delivers great performance. The heater is certified to the US and Canada standards. Number 3. Dimplex 4000W Garage Workshop Heater. If you work in a hurry on your workshop or garage due to freezing, it's time to change. All you need is to get Dimplex 4000W heater for workshops and garages. This appliance is sleek and designed to complement your installation point. With durable steel construction, it lasts for years without compromising the performance. Controlled using a fitted thermostat, it helps in maintaining temperatures in a range of 45 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its compact appearance, the heater boasts outstanding 13,640 BTU. The delayed fan uses the residual heat to allow power economy. Also, with the auto shut feature, it delivers excellent safety and prevents overheating. Unlike other heaters, this one comes with stainless steel elements that are resistant to rust and corrosion. Mounting the heater is simple since it comes with versatile wall and ceiling brackets. With a 6-foot power cord, it is easy to plug on a wall socket. Number 2. Nuaire G73 Hardwired Electric Heater for Garage. The time when people would not tolerate the chilly conditions in their garages is over. The Nuaire G73 heater is a dedicated product for heating garages. The designing of this appliance and construction brings unmatched durability. Featuring stainless steel, it is resistant to rusting. Thereby, even when hot during high moisture conditions, there are no chances of corrosion or rust. Unlike the rivals, this one comes hardwired, which eliminates hassles fixing the power cable. Also, the hardwiring ensures maintenance is easy, unlike the gas-powered heaters. Operating this heater is safe and convenient. It has an inbuilt thermostat and automatic shutdown in case of overheating. With a power rating of 5,000 watts, the device can heat 500 square feet comfortably and adequately. Also, the design ensures effective power saving, unlike the other power-hungry heaters. Whether wall or ceiling mounting, the bracket is highly versatile. Number 1. Dr. Heater Hardwired Shop Garage Commercial Heater. Don't wait until you freeze in your garage. You can make it warm again by spending your money on Dr. Heater Commercial Heater. It's a heavy-duty and compact heater worth adding in your garage, workshop or any other working place. In fact, the 3,006 of a watt commercial-grade heater delivers what rivals can't do. Therefore, whether you want to use it in a new or remodeled building, it perfectly fit. With spiral steel sheath, it is efficient when it comes to uniform heat distribution. Together with massive and powerful fan, it helps to channel hot air into your room, hence raising the air temperature. For the motor, it has a lubricated ball bearing that provides lifetime performance. The front has heavy-duty steel louvers that help in the projection of warm air from the heater. For safety assurance, this heater is all ENCOL listed. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.